we got to fix this LinkedIn profile.
Okay.
So I want you to look at your profile and then look at my profile. So you don't have your headline set up. All you have is owner coaching your dreams Inc. So this is your value statement. That should actually be here.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then since we're going after CMOs, I would specifically say I help CMOs succeed at work and home.
Okay.
So remember, the value statement is I help niche solve problem and get result by proprietary method.
Okay.
So we need to rewrite your value statement.
Okay.
Okay.
I think yeah. I'm sorry. I've only slept 3 hours. So, okay. I think I have it written and somehow I didn't pull it out um, and put it on LinkedIn. So I will do that.
Yeah, and you want to make sure it fits the framework, right?
Uh-huh.
So the market that we're targeting is CMOs. We don't need to say executives. We need to actually get hyper targeted on CMOs.
Okay.
I help CMOs with big teams solve problem. What's the problem you're solving?
Uh, like the backbiting, blaming, teams not meeting their KPIs, that stuff. That's what you're
Okay,
talking about, right?
so I help CMOs build winning teams or build high performance team, build winning teams. What do you think?
I would have to test both because they're both pretty good. Winning teams or high performance teams.
I help
I would
CMOs
say
build, let's just
high
high
performance.
performance.
Yeah.
I help CMOs build high performing teams. So I help niche solve problem and get result. What's the result?
Okay, so the result's not the high performing teams, right?
So that could be the result, but so if that's the result, what's the problem you solve?
The team underperforming
Okay, so
and not trusting the CMO. They don't trust them. They don't believe they can lead them where they need to go.
so the biggest thing is lack of trust.
Yeah, lack of trust and I'm sorry, lack of trust. Fuck, I can't pull the word out of my brain. Uh, and and the communication skills of the CMO are like aggressive, not helpful. They're like their communication style isn't team building. It's very sort of self-centered. I
So they're
can't
like
word it right
analytical.
now.
Okay, so let's just
Yeah.
go with I help CMOs build high performance teams that hit targets, that hit quarterly targets, that hit quarterly targets on autopilot.
Ooh.
That can be to get result. So the solved problem is build high performance teams. Get result is hit quarterly targets on autopilot.
Cool.
Okay, so and what's your proprietary method?
It's the inner wolf method.
IW method. Method. I dot W method.
Mm-hmm.
What's okay, so what's a big pain thing
Mm-hmm.
or obstacle that you think like is the most painful obstacle that these CMOs have?
Yeah, that's a part of the messaging thing that I know you didn't ask it that way, but that you've asked me to rethink about. And so I've been attempting to do that, but I also traveled for like 11 hours yesterday, so I'm not quite there yet. It's I know what I have right now is like there's a lot of name blinging going on with the team. They're not meeting their KPIs. They're blaming the CMO, and I know that's one of the big ones. I don't know how to word that
All
though.
right, just
Like,
like that. How about this? I help CMOs. Oh shit. Did I just send it to you only? I want everybody to see it so that everybody
yeah,
understands
you
how we're
sent it to
writing
just
this.
me. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I help CMOs build high performance teams that hit quarterly targets on autopilot without any blame by IW method.
Ah, okay.
I want you to copy and paste that into your headline right now.
Oh, that's
Do you
a
have any pictures
I
of you conducting like group classes or anything like that?
um I do have some older ones doing that. Not anything with my gray hair, but that's
Oh,
a
nothing
recent
with gray hair.
development. Yeah. Um,
It's fine. You don't have gray
it,
hair in your profile picture, so you can use those pictures. But that's the type of stuff you want to see in where you put like the purple thing,
okay.
your banner. That's what you want to
Okay.
see in the banner.
Okay.
You got
That's
it a
it.
little mixed up. So I want you to just copy and paste this into your headline right now, and then I want you to create a banner that shows you doing your work.
Doing the work. Okay. Okay.
Right.
So I would say really quick how I think part of my problem is I don't know how to get to the where you're talking about uh,
You
under
go to your
profile.
profile and you
Okay.
hit edit. There's a
And
little
it'll be
pencil
obvious. Yeah.
and it'll
I,
say headline.
okay. Okay. That's what I need. Oh, okay. I just hit the wrong thing. Okay, come on, edit, and then it's headline. Ah, I see. My thinking when I looked at this was all wrong. Okay, let's see if that shows up right. How's that?
Hold on, let me refresh.
Oh, I think I need to hit enter.
Get rid of owner coaching your dreams Inc. Get rid of that completely.
Get rid of that. Okay, on it.
It's only what I sent you. It's only I help CMOs build high performance teams that hit quarterly targets on autopilot without any blame.
Okay, how's that? Think
Hold
I
on.
got it.
And this is the fucking sentence you're going to use anytime you're at a networking event or anything. Then that goes for everybody. Anytime you guys are networking with people, somebody asks you, "Oh, so what do you do?" Oh, well, I help CMOs build high performance team that hit quarterly targets on autopilot without any blame with my IW method.
Got it.
You see how much more powerful that is than what you had, which is I help executives succeed at work and home by helping them fix their relationships using research and time-based tested systems and techniques.
Yes,
Which one do
I
you
do.
guys prefer? Right. Okay. Perfect. Um, so this is a big step up, Greta. Like people are this is why your messaging isn't working. I want you to know
Okay.
that. Your messaging isn't working because it's not congruent to your profile is not optimized. Okay? And
Yes,
we
ma'am.
optimize the profile in week 1 of the program. So if you need to go back and understand the concepts of like why we do this, go back to week 1 and week 2, the beginning of week 2.
Okay, I'll do it. I was following that. I just didn't get it right, so I will go through it again, but probably not this weekend. So
All right. Well, so the
yeah.
other thing you need to fix is your about section. Okay,
Okay.
so so we give you an example of what the about section should look like. We give you an example of what the banner needs to look like. We need to give you an example of what the headline needs to look like, and what you have right now just doesn't match that. And it's as simple as going into ChatGPT and telling ChatGPT, "Hey, I need you to create me." Or no, say act as an expert copywriter and create me a LinkedIn bio about Greta Jaeger, who is someone who helps CMOs build high performance teams that hit quarterly targets on autopilot without any blame with her IW method. And then it'll spill out something, dude, and then just edit whatever it spills out to make
Okay.
it look good. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes. I love using ChatGPT. I will do that,
All
and
right, and
that'll
then
fix
send
my
everything
about.
for review with Coral. Coral's going to review everything.
Okay. Okay.
All right.